explore how to join two separate paths into a single continuous path in Figma. This process involves using tools and techniques to merge paths and edit anchor points. Follow these steps to seamlessly combine paths in your design. Press P on your keyboard to activate the pen tool. Click to create anchor points and drag to create curves. Complete the path and press Enter to finalize. Press P again to start a new path. Click and drag to create the second path, then press Enter to finalize. Press V to switch to the Move tool, if necessary. Click on each path while holding Shift to select them both. With both paths selected, go to the top menu and choose Flatten Selection shortcut, Ctrl+E on Windows. This will combine the paths into a single vector shape. Double-click on the combined vector to enter the anchor point editing mode. Select an anchor point and drag it to align with the other anchor point. Press P to activate the pen tool. Click on one anchor point, then click on the other anchor point to create a connecting line. Select the two anchor points you wish to join. Go to Vector menu and choose Join Selection. This will connect the selected anchor points directly. With the anchor point selected, go to Vector and choose Smooth Join Selection to create a smoother transition between the paths. Alternatively, select the anchor points and go to Vector Delete and Heal Selection. This option will delete the selected anchor points and attempt to smooth out the curve, creating a more natural join. If the handles are misaligned, you can adjust them manually. Select the handles and drag them to the desired position to ensure a smooth curve.